So my recommendation, I used to run the New South Wales Innovation Advisory Service. So I met with a lot of product designers and worked with product designers that were commissioned by inventors. And in short form, I would strongly commend that you don't do an original product for your first product, that you're making it really hard for yourself. There are product design companies that are Australian-based that can help you with building a product design. And what I'll do is put up a list of those into the Facebook page. And there are also, you could go to Upwork and find product designers, and you might find that a little bit of a cheaper process. Product design looks very simple. It can be a money pit, and it can be incredibly valuable process to go through, but it's not a quick process. So my recommendation is that you get your trainer wheels on with the process that Neil's talked about, and have the product design as a long-term project. Don't expect that to be a quick one. Even simple products I've seen take 6 months, a year. So it can be quite a time-consuming process.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.